In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom views in Asana. By the end, you'll know how to filter a project exactly the way you want and save that layout so it's always just a click away. Start on the Asana home screen. From here, your main hub for navigation is the sidebar in the upper left. If you don't see it, hover near the edge or click the collapse expand icon to reveal it. Open and close the sidebar once or twice so you're familiar with how to tuck it away when you need more screen space and bring it back when you're navigating between work. Next, choose the project you want to customize from the sidebar to open its list view. At the top of the project, click Filter. This is where you'll build your custom view by combining conditions that match exactly what you want to focus on. Start with task status. Select incomplete tasks to narrow the list to active work. Switch to completed tasks to see finished items, then toggle back and forth to understand the difference and confirm you're seeing what you expect. When you're done exploring, leave it on the option that suits your workflow, typically incomplete tasks for day-to-day execution. Now refine by due date. Choose due next week to preview upcoming work. Toggle it again to confirm the filter applies. Then switch to due this week to zero in on near-term priorities, and again toggle to verify you've captured the right range. Choose the time frame that best supports your planning cadence. To personalize the scope, apply just my tasks if you want to limit the view to items assigned to you within this project. This is great for staying focused without losing context. If you collaborate with others, open the Asana filter. Select email to target a specific teammate by their work email, or choose Me Dynamic to automatically adjust to whoever opens the view, perfect for templates shared across teams. If you're using the specific person route, add their email address in the field. Using Me Dynamic keeps the view personal for each viewer. Using a specific email pins the view to that individual's tasks. With your filters set, click Save View. Give it a clear name that describes what it shows, like My Incomplete Due This Week, so you and your team can recognize it instantly. If offered, you can decide whether to save it just for yourself or set it as a default for everyone in the project, depending on your needs. That's it. You've created a custom view in Asana that highlights exactly what matters whenever you need it.